Hello chefs, today let me show you how to make this moist, creamy and bouncy German cheesecake. This is my family's ancient secret recipe, which at this point you can't no longer call secret, but I hope all of you give this a try and make it yourself. So first you want to combine your sugar with an egg and melted butter. Watch out that the melted butter isn't too hot, as you don't want to cook the egg at this point. In the next step, we cream all of this together and slowly, very slowly, add 250 grams of flour. Once all of this is combined into a ball of goodness, it has to carefully be placed in a tray, which then has to be pressed into shape to cover all the sides all the way up. So now that that's done, let's change over to the filling. For this, let's separate the eggs. And don't throw the egg whites away, we still need them later. So we add a healthy amount of sugar to the yolks together with some melted butter, again not too hot, and combine all of this until the sugar is dissolved. Next we add up our quark, which is around 20% fat in my case, and some mascarpone. In the next step we add 1 pack of vanilla sugar to give it some nice vanilla flavor, together with 1 pack of vanilla pudding to make it nice and sturdy when it's baked. In the last step, we add around 4 tablespoons of semolina to get the texture just right. Once the combining session of all of this is over, we switch over to the egg whites we have from earlier and get them nice and fluffy. Now slowly and in batches combine these egg whites with the mixture. It's really important to kind of lift the egg whites under the mixture so that the incorporated air stays in the batter. This will allow for the cake to in the end be nice and fluffy and not too dense. Once the mixture is ready, we fill it into the tray that we prepared earlier and smooth out the top and put it into the oven at around 180 degrees Celsius.
Fuck, I forgot.
So when it comes to baking, you first want to put it into the oven without any cover until the top is nice and brown to your liking. Once the desired browning has been achieved, you want to cover it with aluminum foil and put it back in. You'll know that the cake is done once it jiggles only in the middle and it looks almost like pudding. For me, this took around 45 minutes altogether. And there you have it, the perfect moist and jiggly German cheesecake. I hope you enjoy and tell me how you like it.